Good morning, students. Welcome to our online teaching session of mathematics. Hope you all are fit and fine and learning more and more from these online classes. So, coming on today's topic, we are going to study about 4-digit numbers today. As we all know that, what is this? This is greatest 3-digit number, 999. Here, because there are 3 digits, so this is a 3-digit number. And we all know that this is the greatest 3-digit number. What about the numbers beyond 3-digit numbers? There comes the 4-digit numbers. See how? If I add 1 to this number, what will it become? 9 plus 1 is 10. So 0, 1 carry. 9 plus 1 again is 10, 0, 1 carry. Again 9 plus 1 is 10, so I'm going to write 10 over here. So now how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there, so this is a 4-digit number. Four-digit number. And now because in our we are only aware with 3 places, ones, tens and hundreds. One more place is now introduced, and that is thousands place. Right? And we are going to represent it by TH. Okay? So how are we going to read this number now? Because, see, let us take example. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now there are 4 places. Okay, so write this number 0, 0, 0, 1. This is 1000. Okay, and now again we are going to divide it into 2 parts. But now because one more place is introduced, so we are going to divide it into 3 parts. Right? See, last 2 digits, as we used to do in the earlier class also, we do read these 2 digits together, right? But because here the digits are 0, so we are not going to consider all these 3 digits. We are going directly going to come on 1 and going to read it directly as this is 1000. So what would be its number name? 1000. Okay, this is the number and this is its number name, right? So in the similar way, we can form more numbers. 2000. Again the places ones, tens, 100 and 1000 we are going to write, right? Similarly 3000, 4000, 5000 and so on. You all can form all such numbers, right? I'm again going to take the same example of the currency notes. You can find so many examples from your surroundings, examples from your surroundings, and I'm again taking this currency note. Here again you can see there are 4 digits, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? And at thousands place there is digit 2. So this is a 2000 rupee note. And similarly you can collect so many examples. Okay, students. Now coming on to the topic of your book, I want to show it. Here they have taken the examples of Abacus. We all are aware with Abacus. We have done questions related to Abacus in the previous class also. But let me show you again. There are on an abacus you might have seen the spikes, three spikes, 1, 2 and 3 of ones place, tens place and hundred place. Now fourth place is also introduced, so I have made one more spike of thousands place, right? So now how we are going to do our worksheet 1, this is totally based on this concept. Here the question is, what number does the abacus show, right? What do we have to read? We have to count these beads, and then we have to write that that number or digits, those digits over here, down here, right? So how we are going to do is just read the numbers and just write it down. Okay, read the these pearls. Okay, see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads are there, so I'm going to write 5 over here. We will start with always with the from the right hand side. This is 5. Now in the 10th spike there is 1 bead, so I'm going to write 1 over here. And in the 100 beads there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 beads, so I'm going to write 4 over here. In the thousands bead, 1, 2 and 3, so I'm going to write 3 over here. What is the number now? 3, 4, 1, 5. Again a 4-digit number. So, and how we are going to read it, that I will tell you later. But now coming on to the second part, there are 1, 2 and 3 beads, so I'm going to write 3 over here. In the second spike of tens place, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 beads are there, so I'm going to write 5 over here. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5 are in the hundreds place. 5 beads are there, so I'm going to write 5 over here. And in thousands place there are 2 beads, so I'm going to write 2 over here, right? Another, in this example, see, 2 spikes are empty. That means what do we have to do? We have to add 0 over here, because 0 is a magical number. We will also discuss about this later on. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 beads are there, so I'm going to write 5 over here. No beads are there, so add the magic number, that is 0. And 100 place, again this spike is also empty, so write 0 over here. And in thousands place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads are there, so I'm going to write 5 over here, right students? And the rest examples you can do it by yourself, complete it by yourself. If you will face any kind of problem in solving these questions, you can text me in our WhatsApp groups, and there your problems could easily be resolved. Now coming on to the second question, represent the following numbers on abacus. Now see, this is now what they have done. The abacus is given over here and the digits are written in the box. So we have to make the circles, right? Now see, here the digit is 0. So there is no need to add any circle on this spike. So coming on to the second digit, 2. So in the tens place, I have to make 2 circles. Coming on to the third digit, it is 4. So at 100 place, I have to make 4 circles, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in the thousands place, the digit is 3. So I have to make 3 circles. Okay, in the similar way, students, you can proceed with these 2 examples also, right? So you can complete this worksheet 1 by yourself. This is quite easy worksheet, and if you will face any problem, you can contact to your mathematics teachers. You can message in the group. Next thing I want to tell you all is that few parents were telling that you are not listening them properly. So students, you do your studies properly and try to make the best use of this time and try to learn more and more things, learn tables also, revise them properly so that it could help you in solving your further questions, because in this year we are going to do the questions of multiplication, division, of three digits, and more than that also. So study seriously, and obey your parents also. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.